This is Sean Henson, video diary for Sprint6. The date is currently 5/21, time 11:32. And for this sprint, we had to create an AI ship and update our wave manager so it would be read from a text file to help the designers in the process. But first off, updated my HUD from last week, so now it does use the flyweight pattern as shown here and effectively keeps track of the scores. I do not have the player lives or the player 2 lives put up there on the HUD, but that's because they're not dynamic yet, and I'd like to tackle those as they come up through the workflow instead of just pasting them on there and then going back and changing it later on. So for the AI ship, what I currently have is a object called AI ship that is a child or subclass of the normal ship, and he just runs off his own functions. He's got a count right here that has him move in his circular fashion. I have the shooting function turned off for the duration of the demonstration. And my wave manager I've updated with all these variables, so that way when the text file is ready to go, it'll be able to interact with these functions, these integers and floats right here, to determine like the centipede length and the centipede speed, and just show you real quick how it's coming along. Currently have the HUD on the top left, and you can see it went up when I shot the centipede. You can see I have a ship, and the AI ship I currently have turned off so it doesn't collide with anything, so it can show the smooth movement. And if I hit this segment right here, you see spawned a new centipede. So I have a centipede count ready to go. I just have to change it so that it would be read from a text file. And currently how that is progressing is I have this test file called test read file, and I'm going through it to make sure it all works. So you can see right here I have them printed out, and I can get the file based off this text file right here. And this is not the cleanest version to work with right now for a designer, but hopefully when I get this all figured out, I can use the original version I have, which has it nice and evenly spaced out for my designers to work with. But currently right now I'm trying to get that all set up so it'll work with the system. I'll be working on it through the rest of the night, and hopefully I can get that finished by the next few days. Otherwise, signing off.